Had the camera on a bad setting. Lost all the footage, but that's all you need to see. Whew. That's what I'm talking about, dude.
Glad you guys made it.
I don't know how far that was. It was too far. Next time, shoot him at the truck. Go, boy! Good shot. Woo! Boom!
Good game. Good game.
So planning out this trip, it was get the boat, get everything in order, get out of work, and have time to just run the timber, chase ducks. Basically, that was the goal. So time started pressing in. It was one thing after another. This wasn't happening, that wasn't happening. And it come down to us basically forcing everything. You know, light bar didn't come in, bought one on the way off Marketplace, installed it at a 7-Eleven. I mean, it's just one thing after another. I was on night shift longer than I was supposed to be. I was supposed to be out 2 weeks later. Earlier, had to stay. So it was just, I mean, it come down to me not even sleeping on my day off, just spend the whole time getting the boat ready, getting decoys ready, loading everything, packing, and ended up picking up a motor on the way down there. You know, didn't even test it out. Just, yeah, we want the motor, put it on the back of the truck. And sure enough, we get down to Arkansas, and it's one thing after another. We get in the boat race, take a corner, try to cut somebody off and get ahead of them, and put a big fat dent in the front of a brand new Reaper. And next day, well, that same day, we ran it like a mud motor, and it ended up it stopped pissing. So actually ended up overheating the motor. Found that out the next day. Motor blew and locked up on us. And last night we kind of threw caution to the wind, and we called Brandon. Brandon was talking to us, said, man, if y'all ain't having any luck, y'all can come this way. So we got to Kansas about 1 a.m. and it's been a good time since. So the motion is right now is quit trying to force everything that we got going and kind of let what happens. We got cards in our hand. We ain't sure which cards they are, but we're dealing them whether or not they're good or bad. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the trip.
Then we found a monster feed.
What?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Well, we are OTW currently. Forgot my wallet and had to turn around and get it, but no, we're on the way.
Oh, that's rough.
Come on. Y'all know a thing or two about the P-Long Pack?
You know what the P-Long Pack's all about?
We built the P-Long Pack, buddy. Son, what about his rig, cut?
You like it? Hey, wait, check this out. Oh, I like it. We were gonna fabricate and fix the gas cap.
Oh, what?
It doesn't have Oh, wrong way.
Hit a heart.
Yeah, you're on there. Now we got the right angle of the dangle.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Got good flow. I say it is, ain't it? Yeah. Who did that unit, man? That thing stank. Smell like I'm back in Chicago. Yeah. Alright, what we got? Full bodies? Yeah. Are we pulling it with that? Yeah, sledding it? Sledding it out.
Mine isn't anyway.
Owner side?
Like a shell.
Belly up.
Ground's soft enough. Just...
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I'm ready. What you, bro? No band there? Yep, I think so. I think so. Ow! Go spur up.
Spot. Where's that camera?
It's going. It's already going.
Oh, you got a spot?
No.
3.
Kill him right there! Kill him! Go ahead and kill him!
Oh, good shot.
Smoked him. Who jumped that one?
Dad. He was already up with his gun.
was just
He was
standing
just
there
waiting
waiting.
for you to say kill it. He already had his gun up.
That was right there, man. He couldn't wait any longer.
Couldn't stand it, son.
He already
so
had
hard
his
to
had
get
his
that
gun
false
up and
with.
standing there, and I'm like,
Oh, God. Bing, bling, ball. Better get 3.
I'm the last big group, big group.
Hey, turn it right here on the right, right here on the right.
Go ahead and kill him, guys! Kill him, guys! Right here.
Sorry, guys.
Cut it.
Where's the right side at?
Yeah.
Not here.
That bird out there, man. I'm shooting him over the top.
Kill him.
He did.
Let's go Mach 9 across the field.
Is that a large?
That's actually an intermediate.
Is it?
Yep.
Let's go.
I mean, hey,
I'm hungry.
I got daggone 14.7 pounds of mud stuck to my boots. But anyways, we made it here about 1 o'clock last night, got some sleep, about overslept. Brandon had to wake us up, scared the snot out of me. Anyways, we got in the field, managed a few geese, birds started working, the fog cleared up, but as you can probably see, visibility is absolutely zero. It might be in the negatives. But the birds just kind of stayed on the roost, so we're gonna chalk it up as an L. We shot a few, we're gonna go get cleaned up at the camp, kind of get straightened out for the next few days, go have us a good meal, and be ready to scout out tomorrow's hunt. We'll see what happens. Beach is in the 25 with the flatbed. We're going to the camp. That's how you know it's about to be good, boys.
Calling in.
Big groups coming in. Oh God, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, look at this. What, these 3?
Kill those 3, kill 2 on the water. Way. Hey. Anything die?
Yeah, I got 2 back here.
Anybody kill the ones on the water on the right?
Tanya! There's one right there.
Yeah.
Right there, boys.
Get him, Con!
I didn't shoot. That was all you. Brian, baby.
Brian, baby.
Yeah.
Hey! He's banded. He's banded. He's banded, boys.
He's banded.
Oh!
Baby, that's all you.
Come here. Come here. What is double banded, baby? No! Double banded. What is that? Dude. Are you kidding me?
No, dude.
Look at that rivet band, baby.
Fryer just freaking double.
Kanye, here. Heel, heel, heel. Sit. Mark. Back. Like you need to come out more often.
Here, coming on the left. Let him stick. Keep down. Stay up. To the right. So right side gets over.
Okay.
Kill that single on the water.
Briar?
What's the other bird? Is he double banded too?
No.
You're kidding. Just one.
Yeah, I want to see that. I don't believe it.
Good boy here.
Working behind us. Heads down.
Got 2 singles up top.
I ain't got no big ones on, so.
4-pack, come back.
Oh, they don't want to fly too far from the sunset. Oh.
What'd you do today?
Shot me a double bear, baby.
Let me see both of them. Let me see both of them. Look at
Look
that.
at that. I got $2. Oh. Ready for a bush light right now. Sponsored.
Spons. I got a 10, 10, 10 by 10, 10 by 10 by 10.
We got 500 on the rivet. 500.
500 on the river. Can I get a 500 and 5 out of the 5 out of 5?
I'll give you 2. That'd have been the first one that I shot for sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're done.
Kill him, boys!
Oh!
You got another bait?
I saw something shiny on the leg. Down on the
Still
water.
going. There's one to slide off to my side. No, it's not very good. Both our guns don't work. Well, that one ain't bad.
Hey, Brad. Maybe?
I kid you not, I had to squeeze so hard on my shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you not throw it all the way up?
Yeah, I did.
I don't want to get spoiled.
No one did.
Yeah!
Like 14.
Oh, y'all do it.
Kill him!
Sorry, Blake. I tried to kill that one on the back.
I just killed him.
Got me a pillowcaser shot. Ain't no big deal.
Let me see it. Maybe?
I kid you not, I had to squeeze so hard on my shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you not throw it all the way up?
Yeah, I did.
Your Lutz has an 1178 rig.
This is getting nasty.
Watch out for the ducks.
Where are the ducks?
Right on.
Oh. Good God.
Kill him, boys! Kanye, go down! Go down! Go down!
Oh, hey,
God! Get Kanye!
got a board. Where'd he go? Five.
Here's what?
Yeah, whole group's coming. Oh no, they split up. Split up. Just two. Just two. Kanye!
You want to shoot that one on the water?
I got it.
Okay.
Sure, I got it here.
Birds with the migrants. Yeah.
I like that gun.
Yeah, baby!
I don't know that I'm gonna give it back.
Tell us what happened today, man. Just give us a little rundown.
Well, two birds came in, got smashed by me, yours truly. One shot, two bands.
Tell them where we're at.
Oh yeah, down here in Ponkaki,
Yeah.
just south of the Bartledoo, and they came from the Schmidt-Locky, but they
A
came.
couple of them came from the Petalone Mountain.
Well, it's the same thing as the bottle do.
Sometimes, yeah, it does.
Rained out. What was that like? 11 we rained out? No, I never tried to make it. Back. One more green on.
Alright, might be a good picture.
4-5. Yeah, 4-pack.
Alright, we're checking. Nobody shoot till we call. Check those two.
Somebody shoot the single out there. Shoot the one on the right.
I got you.
Get up! Hey! 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 Oh! Hey!
He was about to take off. I seen it. Yep. Boom. Woo!
Boom.
Yep. Good game. Good game. Good game, boy.
Boom.
Leave me hanging. You ain't got me yet.
Well, that's a wrap for this trip. We started everything off in Arkansas, and it was a bust. We were striking out bad, but we made a few phone calls, and Brandon ended up calling. And he's like, "Dude, we got nothing going on. We got a lot of birds." So we rode up here and got the gang back together. And I'm glad Cole and TeamWC could join us today. And man, we just flat made it happen. We were definitely sitting on the X and scratched 2 bands out of the group. I had some wax setting on the camera without knowing it, and all the footage is just garbage. But I sat behind the camera most of the day and just filmed some naughty stuff here, man. But Kansas Plains, they never disappoint, dude. These guys are the real deal, and we'll be looking forward to getting back. I mean, we had ducks all over us. Duck season went out 2 days ago. We could have stacked this whole log with some green, but we'll be back. Until then, we're about to hit the road and head home. Let's go.